Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Langmuir Systems Fusion 360 tutorial video. In this video we'll be covering the CAM Workspace and Toolpath programming. But first, what is CAM and what is Toolpath programming? CAM is an acronym that stands for Computer Aided Manufacturing, or in our case, using the models and drawings done in CAD software or the model workspace to generate toolpaths that drive the CrossFire to cut out your parts. Toolpaths are the routes that the computer-controlled plasma torch will move along, as well as the torch on-off signals that in combination results in the cutting out of your parts. Programming toolpaths can seem complicated, and indeed can be with advanced industrial machines, but in this series we'll try to simplify the process of generating toolpaths with Fusion 360. After switching into the CAM workspace using the Workspace drop-down in the top left, you'll notice the top toolbar change entirely with new functions. You'll also notice the browser tree update to more CAM-focused elements. As Fusion is very powerful and can be used for a number of different manufacturing methods, there is a lot here, but you can disregard a good amount of it. You'll mostly be using the setup and pattern functions, as well as the cutting and simulation functions when doing CAM for the CrossFire. We'll go into your first setup in the next video. However, one important thing to note in the CAM workspace before getting started is the active units can differ from the model workspace. Be sure to change this value by hovering over it and selecting the Change Active Units icon. Select the unit type you want, in our case inches, hit Set as Default, and hit OK. That's it for this video, and we'll start on our first CAM setup in the next. Thanks for watching!